आदिम मनुष्य द्वारा लाइनों की रचनात्मक भाषा का उपयोग किया गया था। उन्होंने गुफाओं की दीवारों पर जानवर और शिकारी के दृश्यों को चित्रित किया और प्रकृति के बारे में उनकी भावनाओं के लिए अभिव्यक्ति का एक मार्ग बनाया। In the murals of Ajanta, the lines used are smooth, curved, and rhythmic. The exterior lines of the sculpture at Bhaje Karle are heavy and impactful. भारतीय चित्रों में दिखाई देने वाली रेखाएं लुभावनी हैं। वे मन में सकारात्मक स्पंदन पैदा करते हैं। भारतीय कलाकार के आविष्कार की भाषा मुख्य रूप से लाइन से ही बनी है। The three-dimensional depiction of smoothness and roughness on paper is called texture. The surface that feels soft, smooth, rough when touched by hand is called tactile texture. जिस सतह को बिना छुए केवल आँख से ही वो सॉफ्ट है या रफ ये पहचाना जा सकता है, उसे विजुअल टेक्सचर कहा जाता है। Always indicate skeletal bones. This will hold the sketch together. Once you are familiar with the relative size of the various bones, drawing becomes easier. It is important to take advantage of the grey tone of the paper by exploiting the effect of black and white colors on the paper. Here, first a light drawing is done with a soft pencil on the grey tone paper. Then on the part which has to be illuminated with light, a watery wash of white watercolor is applied. एक बार जब शैडो एंड लाइट अलग अलग हो जाते हैं तो चित्र में काम करना आसान हो जाता है। By recognizing shade and light, you can understand the essence of shapes. Then we can start working on the highlighted area with a white pencil. उसी तरह हम एक ग्राफाइट पेंसिल की मदद से शैडो के पार्ट में भी काम कर सकते हैं। A mental image of the picture can be formed by working on both the areas simultaneously. The choice of paper for a smooth or slightly rough surface will depend on the type of work to be done, a particular effect to be shown, and the pencils to be used. With the gentle use of sharp and softer pencil, your picture will look delicate, while with the use of a dull tip and a pencil with strong pressure, the picture will be drawn bold, strong, and crisp. विभिन्न रेखाओं की सहायता से आकृतियां बनती है। डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट प्राप्त करने के लिए चित्रकार को आविष्कार की विशिष्ट विधि पता होना चाहिए। Every artist is an actor in that he conveys to the observer the mood or attitude of his animal characters and must feel the situation before he can put it down on paper. Basically, there are two kinds of line, a straight line and a curved line of varying degree. Primarily, we use line to build form and solids and to create movement. Working with hair in drawing is just as hard, but our subtle observation coupled with the use of good rhythmic lines makes the task trivial. Anyone who enjoys this work of art should be able to understand the feeling within them. The lines have to be molded according to the shape. अगर हम आनंद लेते हुए ड्राइंग करना जारी रखते हैं तो इसमें कुछ भी असंभव नहीं है। Exertion of force in lines make the drawing stand out. Working with the eyes in drawing is a difficult task, but with practice it becomes much easier. The transparency of the eyeball, the light falling on it, the eyelids, all needs to be done with extreme care so that the picture becomes lively. If you want to enjoy a picture, you have to be prepared to understand the feelings of the artist. The science behind it needs to be introduced very closely. Without the identity, no one will be able to truly enjoy that art. As the singer needs identity, so does the listener. As the writer, the poet, so does the reader. Please subscribe my K Nitin Art channel and click the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.